Did you know that over 85% of people who use baking soda have no idea about its most powerful health benefits? That's right. This simple kitchen ingredient, something you probably already have in your cupboard, could be one of the most underappreciated natural remedies in the world. It costs just a few naira or cents per use, yet its full potential remains largely unknown. Think about it. You likely use baking soda to absorb odors in your fridge or to help dough rise in baking. But have you ever considered what else it might do for your health? This ordinary white powder has a rich history of unexpected uses, many of which could transform how you manage your health, especially as you get older. So, why isn't baking soda's true power more widely discussed? And more importantly, what life-changing uses might you be missing out on? In this guide, we'll explore its lesser-known health benefits, highlight who should avoid it, and explain how to use it safely and effectively. If you're looking for smart, natural ways to support your health, this is one tip you don't want to skip. And before we get into the details, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do that now and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future health tips. If this topic interests you, type 1 in the comments. If not, type 0 and tell us what you prefer to see. Let's start with one of the most common and uncomfortable issues many seniors face: heartburn and acid reflux. For a lot of older adults, that burning feeling after meals has become a regular occurrence. It creeps up the chest, disturbs sleep, affects mood, and often leads to quick reliance on antacids. But what if one of the safest, most effective remedies has been hiding in your kitchen cabinet all along? Baking soda, the same one you use for baking or freshening the fridge, can actually neutralize stomach acid. When mixed with water, it creates an alkaline solution that helps calm acid reflux almost instantly. This isn't just a home remedy passed down through generations. It's basic chemistry. When baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, reacts with excess stomach acid, hydrochloric acid, it forms salt, water, and carbon dioxide. That reaction helps ease the burning sensation in minutes, giving your chest relief and making it easier to breathe. Even more than the science, it's about what this represents: comfort without medication. For seniors juggling multiple prescriptions, being able to reach for something natural and affordable gives a sense of empowerment. No side effects, no pharmacy visits. Just a glass of water, a teaspoon of baking soda, and real relief. Still, baking soda isn't something you should use every day, and it's not right for everyone. Since it contains sodium, it may not be safe for people dealing with high blood pressure, kidney problems, or heart issues. But for occasional relief, like after a heavy meal or when you lie down too soon, it can be a quick, gentle remedy. Just imagine ending your day with a warm drink that soothes your system instead of causing discomfort. That's the quiet power of this humble kitchen ingredient. It doesn't just work. It works softly, without stress. And while that relief from heartburn is helpful, it's only the beginning of what this simple solution might offer. The same mixture that calms your stomach may also help protect your kidneys, your body's silent workers that filter waste and balance fluids all day long. Curious how that works? Let's take a closer look at how baking soda could support kidney health and what older adults should know about keeping these organs strong. If you're still with me and learning something new, go ahead and type 1 in the comments. Now, let's move to the second benefit: kidney support. As we age, we start to notice the parts of our body that once worked silently. Among the most important are our kidneys. They help clean the blood, regulate fluid levels, and manage the delicate acid-alkaline balance that keeps our body running well. But over time, especially with conditions like high blood pressure or diabetes, kidneys can begin to weaken. At first, the signs may be small: tiredness, swelling around the ankles, or changes in urination. But there's signs that something deeper needs attention. This is where baking soda may help, in ways many don't expect. Research shows that sodium bicarbonate, the active ingredient in baking soda, might benefit people with early-stage chronic kidney disease, CKD. How? It's all about acid. When kidney function drops, the body struggles to clear out excess acid from the blood. This leads to a condition called metabolic acidosis, which quietly speeds up kidney damage. But baking soda, taken in small, properly managed amounts, can help neutralize this acid. It's not just short-term relief. It could actually slow down the decline of kidney function. One long-term study found that patients with CKD who took sodium bicarbonate saw a slower loss of kidney function and, in many cases, avoided dialysis. That's more than science. It's a second chance, a way to maintain freedom, avoid intense treatments, and keep enjoying life's little moments. Just picture it. Supporting your kidneys with nothing more than water and a spoonful of something familiar. For many seniors, especially those juggling medications, the idea of using a natural, affordable method is comforting, but it must be used wisely. Because it contains sodium, baking soda isn't recommended for those with advanced kidney failure, fluid retention, or heart conditions. Always speak with a doctor before making it a regular habit. Used correctly, it can support, not strain, the body, and its benefits don't end with the kidneys. As baking soda helps reduce acid in the body, it may also offer relief from one of the most frustrating problems many older adults face: urinary tract infections, UTIs. Could this kitchen item really ease that painful, urgent feeling? The answer might surprise you. Let's look at the third benefit: UTI relief. For many seniors, especially women, UTIs are a constant struggle. That burning pain, the need to urinate often, and pressure in the lower belly can keep coming back. UTIs don't just hurt. They disrupt sleep, shake confidence, and affect daily life. And while antibiotics are usually the go-to treatment, what about the lingering discomfort between infections? That's where baking soda may help. Not as a cure, but as a gentle helper. When mixed with water, it turns alkaline and can raise the pH level of urine. This change may reduce the acidity that bacteria like E. coli thrive in, making it harder for them to grow. For seniors who deal with frequent UTIs, this slight shift in urine pH may calm irritation and reduce day-to-day discomfort. Even when there's no full infection, some people live with constant low-level inflammation. Baking soda may help soothe that. Studies are beginning to back this up. In one, women who included sodium bicarbonate in their care routines had fewer infections and less burning and urgency. It's another example of how something simple can make a meaningful difference in everyday health. It's such a small change, just half a teaspoon of baking soda stirred into warm water. But for someone dealing with discomfort, it can feel like a small act of control in a body that sometimes feels unpredictable. It's not just about science. It's about comfort. For seniors waiting for a doctor's visit or managing symptoms between treatments, this simple drink can bring calm in the moment. It's a relief that doesn't require yet another prescription. And for older adults already managing several medications, that's a welcome break. Of course, this is not meant to replace proper medical care. UTIs can become serious very quickly, especially in seniors with diabetes or those using catheters. They should always be taken seriously. Still, when used occasionally and under the guidance of a doctor, baking soda and water can be a gentle helper on the road to healing. And the benefits don't end there. Surprisingly, the same mix that eases urinary discomfort might also help relieve one of the most painful and unexpected conditions that affect seniors, gout. Can baking soda really ease the agony of gout attacks? You might be surprised. Let's take a closer look. 4. Help with gout flares. If you've ever been woken up by intense pain in your toe or knee, so sharp that even a bedsheet feels unbearable, you know the agony of gout. It's not just pain. It's sudden, stabbing discomfort that makes it hard to walk, sleep, or think straight. Gout feels especially frustrating for older adults who have done their best to live healthy lives, eating better, exercising, and following their doctor's advice, only to be blindsided by flare-ups. At the root of gout is a buildup of uric acid in the blood. When levels get too high, this acid forms painful crystals in the joints, often the big toe, ankle, or knee. These crystals trigger inflammation, swelling, and severe pain. While medications are often needed, baking soda may offer extra support at home. Why? Because it makes the body slightly more alkaline. And when your body is more alkaline, uric acid becomes easier to dissolve and flush out through urine. That means fewer painful crystals forming. And if they do, they may not stay as long. For seniors who suffer from repeated gout attacks, this small change can bring noticeable relief. Some studies even show that with medical supervision, Baking soda may help lower uric acid levels and slow down the processes that trigger flare-ups. No, it's not a cure, and it won't replace your doctor's plan, but it might serve as a gentle daily habit that makes a real difference. More than anything, this simple act, stirring a spoonful of powder into water, can feel like an empowering choice. It reminds you that you're not helpless, that even during hard moments, you can care for your body with something safe, familiar, and calming. And baking soda's usefulness doesn't stop at joints. Just as it helps reduce acid inside the body, it may also help neutralize what causes irritation in your mouth, like the bacteria and acids behind bad breath, mouth sores, and gum issues. Soothe mouth sores and bad breath. As we age, small irritations in the mouth become more common and more uncomfortable. Maybe it's a canker sore that won't go away, irritation from dentures, or a dry, bitter taste caused by medications. These things may seem minor, but they can take a toll on comfort and confidence. Here's where baking soda helps again. Use as a simple rinse, half a teaspoon in warm water. It can calm irritated areas in the mouth. This natural solution has been trusted for generations to clean teeth and freshen breath, and now we know why. It works. Sodium bicarbonate helps reduce acid in the mouth, which in turn slows the growth of harmful bacteria. These bacteria don't just cause bad breath, they also irritate gums, increase plaque, and make mouth sores worse. A gentle baking soda rinse can soothe the tissues without the sting of alcohol-based mouthwashes. It helps restore balance, so your mouth can heal naturally. For seniors dealing with dry mouth or sensitive gums, this rinse can be a daily comfort. And when it comes to breath, something so personal and important for connection, baking soda doesn't just cover odors. It changes the environment in your mouth, making it harder for bad smells to return. It's just another way this quiet, everyday powder continues to show its worth, helping not just the body, but the confidence and comfort that make everyday moments feel better. 5. A simple step toward feeling better. Brushing your teeth with baking soda doesn't just clean your mouth. It can boost your confidence to smile, speak, and feel more like yourself. It becomes a small act of self-care, a reminder that even minor discomforts matter. Health isn't just about avoiding illness. It's about feeling whole, from your joints to your smile. But baking soda's benefits go beyond your mouth. Just like it calms acid and irritation inside, it may also help your body recover after exercise. It might ease soreness and help tired muscles bounce back faster. 6. Easing soreness after movement. For many older adults, staying active, whether it's walking, gardening, or gentle stretches, is key to staying independent and strong. But with movement can come muscle soreness, especially the day after. Your joints may feel stiff, your muscles tight, and simple tasks become harder. This soreness is natural. It means your body is healing and getting stronger. But there's a difference between normal recovery and pain that makes you want to stop moving. A small glass of water with baking soda after activity might help reduce the buildup of lactic acid in your muscles, the cause of that deep, achy feeling. It won't erase your fatigue, but it can ease the discomfort so you move more easily the next day. For those recovering from illness or surgery, this gentle support can help keep progress on track. And there's something comforting about it. It's easy, familiar, and doesn't rely on medications. Just a teaspoon in water, a quiet sip, and a little support from within. Not harsh, not artificial, just natural healing. 7. Helping your body stay balanced, ***. Even more surprising, baking soda can support something very important inside your body, your pH balance. Every breath, every heartbeat, every cell repair depends on a stable balance between acid and alkaline levels. As we age, our bodies become more sensitive to acidity. The modern diet, full of meat, sugar, and processed foods, pushes us further toward an acidic state that can leave us feeling tired, inflamed, and unwell. The body works hard to manage this, but over time it can become too much. A small amount of baking soda in water a few times a week can act as a natural buffer, helping neutralize extra acids without disrupting your body's natural systems. Many seniors say they feel lighter, clearer, and more energetic after adding it to their routine. It's not about chasing extreme trends. It's about gentle balance, giving your body the support it needs to do what it already wants to do. And when your pH is balanced, everything, from digestion and energy to sleep and immunity, runs more smoothly. Bonus benefit: soothing the skin. That balance can even affect your skin. When your body is too acidic, your skin can feel dry, itchy, or irritated. Just like baking soda calms your stomach, it may also calm your skin. A baking soda soak or rinse might be the gentle skin remedy you've been looking for. In conclusion, a small step, a big difference. With age comes wisdom, and one thing becomes clear: true health doesn't come from fads or quick fixes. It comes from listening to your body and caring for it with small, consistent actions. Baking soda may look plain, but it holds quiet power. It helps with digestion, joint pain, kidney function, and oral health, without being loud or complicated. In a world full of pills and procedures, this simple powder gives you something powerful: control. It reminds you that healing can start with something as basic as water, a spoonful of baking soda, and a bit of intention. A final thought: but remember, baking soda, like anything else, must be used wisely. Always talk to your doctor before making changes, especially if you're on medications or managing health conditions. Now that you know these benefits, you don't just have facts, you have insight. Whether you try baking soda yourself or simply carry this knowledge forward, you've taken a step toward better self-care. So here's the small changes that matter, to aging with grace and purpose. And to you, for being curious, mindful, and open to learning something new. We'd love to hear from you. If this message helped you, share it with someone you care about. Leave a comment below with one thing you learned or plan to try. If you enjoyed this video, drop a 1 in the comments. If not, feel free to write 0. Your feedback helps us grow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful content. Thank you for watching, and here's to living life on your own terms.